With the help of your router, this smart plug connects through a Wi-Fi module with the TP-Link cloud service. The mobile application Casa, created for Android and iOS systems, is used by the device and also connects to the cloud, allowing remote control of the system from anywhere in the world. With the help of this plug, you can configure your appliances and your home's electricity system to automatically turn on and off. This device can be purchased for $30. Ultimate Hacking Keyboard. This keyboard has been created with the aid of a 3D printer and is made of satin plastic. Using some strength, the gadget can be divided into two parts that can work separately using a cable. This way, the keyboard can be used as usual or separated into two parts to place it in the way that seems most comfortable to you. When attached, the keyboard does not bend, creak, or pull apart. The device receives power through a mini USB cable, and its current price is $250. Q-Mod Energy Kit. This toy for children's development allows them to discover electricity in objects that at first sight do not have it, as well as to create new electrical inventions and learn how to use them. The Q-Mod electricity block has two modes, Discovery and Charge. In the Discovery mode, you can perform various experiments to generate electricity. In Charge mode, it's possible to charge the block of energy using different everyday objects. The value of the device is $70. Torx Smart Pump. This device is an improved air pump that can inflate a ball and measure the pressure inside it. To properly inflate the ball, simply place the needle of the device on the nozzle. After this, the process is virtually automatic. Torx measures the pressure and shows it on the device's screen. The air pump has a built-in battery which is charged using a common USB cable, and the device can be ordered for $50. Autonomous Smart Desk. The top of this table has a size of 52 by 30 inches. The legs are made of high-quality industrial steel, and inside the legs lies the first surprise of this table, a silent motor, capable of changing the table height from 24 to 50 centimeters automatically. The highest height mode is ideal for comfortable standing work. In addition, the table can automatically adjust the height in the sitting mode depending on the time of day. The The second peculiarity of this device is a custom voice assistant. The user has the possibility to use voice commands to plan meetings, order lunch, get information, and play his favorite music. Autonomous Desk is sold in 3 different versions: Basic, Deluxe, and Smart. The price of each one is $400, $500, and $600 respectively. Pocket Shot. This new type of slingshot with a round design can throw diverse projectiles, including arrows. The initial velocity of the projectile is 328 feet per second. When folded, the size of the device does not exceed 2.3 by 1.1 inches, while deployed it reaches 5.1 inches. This fun rocket launcher is made of high-quality latex. The molds for the preparation of the components of the Pocket Shot were created with numerical control machines, while the ring is made of reinforced composite material. The price of this toy is $25. Kingi. This life belt bracelet was developed for people who do not like vests. The kit with the bracelet comes with 2 replaceable balls, each of which is filled in seconds with an air pillow that lifts the person who's drowning to the surface. To activate the bracelet, you only have to pull the metal lever. The life-saving device is capable of raising to the surface a 274-pound person, while the device weighs only 139 grams. The air pillow stays full for up to 48 hours, and to help searching parties, the bracelet has a whistle. The device also has a compass so the drowning person can understand where to turn, and the price of the bracelet is $79.